There's something to be said for living in the moment. Taking it all in. The sights. The energy. The sounds. The beauty. The small bits of time in nature. There is something to be said for living in the moment. But there's something magical about making it last. Capturing those moments in time. Making them something to be shared. To be passed on. Look at life through a new lens. Put things into new perspectives. Bring a story to life. And the next time you find yourself in the moment, pause, take it in, and then capture it. Adorama. Create no matter what.